Are you missing out on the things you love because of constant knee pain? Have medications, injections, and other temporary treatments stopped giving you the relief you need? If you're trying to avoid knee replacement surgery, there may be another option. At Champion Heart and Vascular Center, we offer Genicular Artery Embolization, or GAE, a minimally invasive treatment designed to help reduce knee pain caused by osteoarthritis. Using advanced image-guided technology, our specialists target inflammation within the knee through a tiny catheter. No major surgery, no large incisions, no stitches. GAE is performed on an outpatient basis, which means patients go home the same day. Many patients choose GAE because it may help reduce pain, improve mobility, and help them get back to the activities they enjoy. Whether it's walking the dog, spending time with family, traveling, or simply getting through the day with less discomfort, the best part? GAE is covered by most insurance plans. If knee pain is limiting your life, now may be the time to explore your options. Schedule a consultation with Champion Heart and Vascular Center today to learn if GAE may be right for you.